Okay, this video is on some of the details of how this thing works, a little bit more of the mathematics. So it has 10 different numbers, and I said in the last video that there were 1,024 different combinations. But now the question is, what if you, how does that work for different lengths of combinations? What if the length of the combination is only 1? Well, there's 10 numbers, so there's 10 possibilities. What if the length of the combination is 2? That's 10 choose 2 is 45. So there's only, if you happen to pick a 2-digit combination, there's only 45 combinations. If you pick a 3-digit combination, there's 120. If you pick a 4-digit combination, there's 210 combinations. So perhaps 4 is going to be the most common length of combination that people pick. So there's only 210 length 4 combinations. So what I have here is Pascal's triangle written out by hand down to 10 rows. This was actually the most number of rows I've ever done in my life by hand. It's a little tedious. And the interesting thing is, let's focus on this bottom row when you have 10 objects here. So if you add up all these numbers, you're going to get 2 to the 10th, which is 1,024. And I actually typed it in the calculator. I added up all these numbers and got 1,024. The reason I did that because I wanted to check my arithmetic that I did it correctly. So each one of these numbers, it tells you how many different ways can you choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, choose k things from n things. It's called n choose k. So we have 10 things. How many different ways can we choose k things, where k is the length of the combination? So if you have a combination of length 5, 10 choose 5 is 252. So if we have a length 5 combination, there's 252 choices. So while if we consider all lengths of combinations, there's 1,024, but if we only consider length 4 combinations, there's only 210, which is approximately 5 times less than the original number I quoted of 1,024. So that's a cool application of Pascal's triangle to these lockbox things. And let me comment one more thing on cracking the thing. Now, if you have the same combination and you use this thing over and over and over, perhaps those buttons will get worn down a little bit and the other buttons will stay pristine. So in that sense, it's very easy to crack because the order doesn't matter. So you just find the worn down buttons, punch them in, and you're in. Thank you very much.